we go on a long drive, especially on the highways, it's never complete without a stopover at the dhaba. So today I'm going to show you guys a very nice matar masala dhaba style. Let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to make a paste of ginger, garlic and green chili. I've taken 4 green chilies, chopped garlic, about 5 to 6 cloves, a large piece of ginger chopped. Add a little water and grind to a fine paste. The first step is to fry the onions and cashews together. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions, roughly chopped. Next, add 10 cashew nuts. Once the onions turn to a nice golden color, turn off the stove, cool the mixture and grind it to a fine paste. To the same saucepan, add a little more oil. To this, I'm going to add whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and stone flour. To this, add 1 large onion finely chopped. When the onions are a nice brown color, add 2 teaspoons of the ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now I'm going to add 1 large cup of peas. You can either use fresh peas or frozen peas. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I've blanched 4 large tomatoes and pureed them. I'm going to add the tomato puree. Pour a little water. Close and cook for about 15 minutes. The peas are cooked. To this, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is to just balance the flavors of the gravy. Next, add half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Once the oil starts separating, add the ground paste, the onion and cashew paste. Pour half cup water. The matar masala is done. Finally, finish it off with some crushed Kasuri Methi. Turn off the stove, serve it with some hot roti or chapati. Relive your dhaba moment with this matar masala as a side for your roti or chapati. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.